I think it's perfect. We've got a nice 15 knots of wind or so it's perfect for having all the sails up. And we're making nice speed. We're doing 5 to 6 knots, heading south towards a really nice anchorage for the night on Chunket Island. So it's perfect. Beautiful sky. We've got the Caroward Islands in the background and Cape St. James is probably my favorite spot that we get to visit. So,
what does this area mean to you? What's special about it?
The remoteness of it is what I think is probably one of its best attributes. You know, it really is a wild place, truly wild.